We are in the cloud forest of Kona, Hawaii at Thunder Mountain Coffee Farm, about to get a tour. Let's go. So after the beans are picked and dried, they go into these, and then from here it goes into the huller, which separates the stuff.
Right.
Right?
Right. Go on.
And then it comes over here to the polisher,
Right.
which separates it some more,
Okay.
gets it down,
Keep going.
and then it comes over into the screener, and it screens and it shakes, and you get the different sizes of beans as it falls through.
Right.
And then it goes into the elevator, and it comes down into the gravity separator too. It goes on into the gravity separator, and then it shakes some more, and it gets off all the rough edges as it goes through there. And then from there, it goes into the sorter, the color sorter, and then it looks at all the different colors. And if it's spotted, they get discarded.
Right.
And if they're dark or light, you want the good colors. So the beans come into here. They go into the roaster for 12 minutes for your light roast, 2 additional minutes for your medium roast, and 2 additional minutes for past that for your dark roast. When it's done, it goes into this cooling vat, and there's spinners that spin around, cooling the beans with cool air that come up to cool them off. Coffee.
So a typical picker will pick 100 to 200 pounds of coffee a day, and they get paid about 65 cents a pound, so you can do the math on that. And the way that they do it is they use high-tech tools like this, and they approach a tree, and they hook a tree like this to pull it down, and then they put their foot on the bottom of the rope, and this allows them to free up their hands so they can pick berries off of the tree.
We're doing a self-guided tour of the Thunder Mountain Coffee Plantation. These are Hawaiian tree ferns, otherwise known as hapu'u. Ooh. Did you know the core of that fern is actually starchy and can be cooked? You can use it in food. Behind me is a lava tube, and this is where lava actually used to flow. And then as the lava cools, the top part of the crest becomes hardened, and then when it stops flowing, it creates a tube. This is a coffee tree, and see these nice little beans here? These are what get harvested when they turn red. The little they turn into a cherry red color, and they're actually called little cherries. So when they're red, that's when they get picked. That's when they're ripe. Check out this amazing view. I guess this is why they call it a cloud forest.
Cool. So the tour concludes with going through this shop to get samples of coffee, which is pretty awesome and pretty yummy.
Yes. Let's go.
All right, well,
Oh, I thought we were going to taste some coffee.
oh, I guess we're going to taste some coffee.
Don't you think we should?
All right.
Chocolate covered pea berry beans.
Are you staying nearby? Are you staying in town or like very nice? I like it up there. It's nice. Your children like it.
Really good. 8 to 11 of these is the equivalent caffeine of a cup of coffee. So be careful. It's pretty good.